Hi, welcome to Gagajoy's Kitchen. This is Gagajoy. Today we're going to be making Singapore rice noodles. And this is my son's favorite dish, Asian dish, and my grandson's favorite dish. I've only made it once, so bear with me a little bit. First of all, we're going to be using pork and shrimp. Putting about 2 teaspoons of Argo cornstarch in both of them, and I'll do the shrimp last, and then the pork I'm going to do first. And as we go along, I'll tell you what all I'm doing, because it'd be sort of complicated if we did it first. Now this is I actually just took pork loin and made the pork for today. It doesn't take but maybe 3 minutes on each side, so it's very quickly done. While that's cooking, I'm gonna put the rice noodles in. You just open a package, you put it in boiling water for 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, no more than that. They'll have to come back up to a boil. Okay, now, let me rinse them off over here. Rinsing them off, and I'm putting them back in the pot. Now they won't stick together, but every now and then I'm going to lift them up and sort of stir them a little bit. We need 2 eggs, so I'll go ahead and do that while I'm standing here at the stove. I'll put a little bit of salt in eggs. You just have to do that for eggs. I love to do new dishes. Actually, you can't really go bad with them, especially stuff like this, because if one thing doesn't take over, the other will. So you really can't go bad. My grandson's on vacation, so he's going to be really upset with us that we made this, because this is, anytime he goes out to an Asian restaurant, this is exactly what he always orders. Now, I'm like this. Every now and then I'm just going to go up here and do this. Just want him to keep moving. You know what's so good about this? They don't get soggy. Yeah, we're getting there. The pork's it's lost its pinkness, which usually means it's good and done. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp. It doesn't take but just a little bit, very long for shrimp. That's why I wait till the end to put it on. While that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and mix their flavorings up. And this is one of our favorite things. It's chili garlic sauce. Put 1 tablespoon of that, more or less. And I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of salt. It takes so much salt, I'm sure we're going to end up putting more in it. I'm going to put a tablespoon of ginger. This is the ginger in a jar. See how it's fixed up there? That's really good like that. And this is sugar. This is 2 teaspoons of sugar. Put some pepper. I think I'll go ahead and put the pepper on this first. I just want this till the shrimp are all pink and then they'll be ready. And the next is sesame oil. Just 2 drops, just a couple drops. Rice vinegar. We're going to put a tablespoon of it. This is fish sauce. Again, this would be a teaspoonful. Let me stir my stuff here. We're almost there. Now, turmeric, a teaspoonful. Coriander, a tablespoonful. And curry powder, tablespoon? Oh wait, tablespoon?
Tablespoon.
Okay. And I guess that's all. Now I'm gonna wait for just a minute before I put the soy sauce in there. Okay, I'm gonna take the meat out right now so I can do the vegetables. Now we've got plenty of liquid for the vegetables. We're going to start off with onions and garlic, just for about a minute. It does take about 3 minutes for the onions and the garlic. Well, all of them. I think all of them on average is 3 minutes. Okay, now it's time to add our snow peas and our slivered carrots. It's looking beautiful. Okay, and now our last is our celery and our red pepper. Okay, now I'm going to add the sauce. All the sauce that I added. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of soy sauce. I did forget that one. Okay, now I'm going to put my meat back in. This is the egg, and I'm just trying to cut it up in little pieces, little squares, that it lies before you with the meat. To be honest with you, I don't know why to put egg in it, but it's one of the main ingredients to this recipe. Now, noodle time. I ate some of these leftover noodles from yesterday, and they're not like pasta. They don't get soggy, and they just, the way they are, you put them in there, that's how they come out. I was surprised about that part. Good. I think that's a good mix. I don't think we need any more noodles. Be overbearing if you do. Well, I think we're through. We're going to sort of end it with some chives out of my garden, I might add. A little bit of sesame seeds and a few noodles. And that, my friends, gives you Singapore noodles. Yeah, let me get a taste of it. I'm going to taste it to make sure the salts and everything are good. Boy, it smells good. That's definitely wonderful, but it's got to have more salt. We knew that. I hope you try this. It is wonderful. It's a little complicated, but at the end of the show is always the recipes. Anytime you want a recipe, just go to the end of the show. And we'll see you soon. And always remember the joy this time of year. Take care.